Hello friends, today we'll discuss a broad difference between helping verbs and main verbs which definitely affect your writing and speaking. Even if you're talking about your general communication skills, these matter a lot. I always suggest my students that you should have a strong hold over your present tense and most importantly your present indefinite tense. But I come across students who cannot differentiate between a helping verb and a main verb. So first of all, I'll tell you the difference between helping verb and main verb and how these are important for our writing skills as well as for the speaking skills. The first thing is, which I always insist, that do not translate when you are speaking something in English, back of your mind. You should be clear you want to speak about present, past or future. Within that range, we can make more corrections, and most important is getting to know what we are talking about. Is it a piece of information, or it is talking about some activity and action, or it is a combination of both? Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, all these are helping verbs. Why we call them helping verbs? Because they help us to form a sentence, and when these are used in a sentence, they give us two broad information. Number one, are we talking about singular or plural? If I'm using is, it means I'm talking about one. If I'm using are, it means I'm talking about more than one. At the same time, the second information I get is it is talking about present. It's not about past. So in present, it is talking about one or it is talking about more than one. One more thing I get to know, that the sentence which I am making is giving me a piece of information related to some point. I is always followed by am if I am giving an information related to me, and that is restricted only to the information. It is not talking about an activity. For example, I want to say my profession, so I would say I am a teacher by profession. So there is no action, no activity, and am is supporting my sentence, telling two things. One, I'm talking about myself. Two, it's a singular. Three, I'm talking about present. Four, it is a piece of information. So when I'm using are, we are friends. So what I'm trying to say, I'm giving you a piece of information, no action. I'm telling we are more than one person and we are talking about present tense. So helping verbs are there to help, to assist us in giving this part of information. When we are talking about some activity, some action, which is a part of our present, past or future, we use main verbs. Those are highlighted by some action word. Now, what is the difference between helping and main verbs? Helping verbs, as I just explained, they are there to support our sentence in giving us information, in telling us the time period, in telling us it is about singular or plural. Main verbs are denoting the main action in the sentence. I jump. I eat. I like. I speak English. I talk to you. I give lectures. I am a teacher. Now, in the last sentence, I gave an information regarding me. In the previous one, I was talking about an activity and action. Another difference between helping and main verb is that in helping verb, we cannot use them independently. For example, if I say is, was, were, does it give you any meaning, any information? No, it doesn't. It doesn't even tell what I'm trying to say. But if I say jump, come, sit, talk, it is giving me a piece of information. So at times your main verbs act as a complete sense of information, but helping verbs never ever can be used independently. They have no existence other than being used in a sentence. So please be careful about helping verbs and main verbs. So when you're talking about something, first of all, your own native language should be clear to you. You should be aware what you want to say, and then accordingly you would be using a helping verb if you want to give a piece of information, and you would be using a main verb when you're talking about an action. In a simple present tense or present indefinite tense, you cannot use them in combined form. You cannot say, he is doing my friend. No. It will merge the statements, it will mix up, and it doesn't make any sense. Grammatically also it is incorrect. So please take care of this thing and keep practicing on this. Thank you.